Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 10 best mass gainers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 10, we have the Optimum Nutrition Serious Mass Weight Gainer Protein Powder. Serious Mass Gainer by Optimum Nutrition comes with 1,250 calories with 50 grams of protein, 252 grams of carbs, and 25 vitamins and minerals plus creatine and glutamine. Serious Mass Gainer can help you reach your goals by providing plenty of fuel to help you gain weight and muscle, while still keeping its fat content under 5 grams. If you're naturally skinny or have a super fast metabolism, Serious Mass Weight Gainer Protein Powder can help you gain muscle and maintain a minimum healthy weight. Even if you aren't looking to be a bodybuilder, you can still benefit from this body supplement, particularly if you're working out regularly and are naturally very thin. Optimum Nutrition recommends taking 1 serving in the morning and evening, or after a workout, to help your body recover from the strain and build muscle faster. To get the most out of Serious Mass Gainer, you'll want to blend fresh or frozen fruit with milk or water. You can add nuts, fruits, and ice depending on your preference. Serious Mass Gainer comes in banana, chocolate peanut butter, cookies and cream, strawberry, and vanilla flavor. The product contains eggs, soy from lecithin, dairy, corn, and wheat as part of its ingredients. If you are diabetic or hypoglycemic, you should check with your doctor before using this product. If you are using this to help a child gain weight, consult a doctor first as well. Moving on, at number 9, we have the Vanilla Less Naked Mass. Vanilla Less Naked Mass is marketed as an all-natural weight gainer protein powder. The product contains whey, casein, maltodextrin, organic coconut sugar, and organic raw cacao for the chocolatey taste. What's not present? GMOs and gluten. If you are naturally sensitive to gluten and have been looking for a mass gainer, this is definitely one to try. Customers who purchased the product reported that it is gentle on sensitive stomachs, possibly due to the simple structure and lack of gluten. At 1,360 calories, Vanilla Less Naked Mass contains 251 grams of carbs, 50 grams of protein, and 11.6 grams of branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, per serving. In case you're new to weight gainers and protein powders, BCAAs are 3 amino acid chains composed of leucine, valine, and isoleucine. Amino acids are the building blocks of protein and can help you build stronger muscles and give you more energy. The package lists 11 servings. However, savvy users state that it lasts for a while and may contain much more. Moreover, you can see results with fewer servings than the recommended serving size. Since Vanilla Less Naked Mass is free of artificial flavors and sweeteners, it does taste bland. For best results, mix 4 scoops, some users recommend using less for the same effects, into a shake with your favorite fruit. You can also add milk and ice to taste. At number 8, we have the Dymatize Super Mass Gainer Protein Powder. Not everyone gains size the same way. For those of us that have faster metabolisms or struggle staying at a healthy weight, you know it can be a problem. After all, it can be hard to squeeze in an extra meal between school, work, and other responsibilities even if you are already meal prepping. If you are struggling to gain mass in today's busy world, Dymatize Super Mass Gainer Protein Powder can help. With 1,280 calories, 10.7 grams of BCAAs, and 52 grams of protein, Dymatize delivers the nutritional value of a large meal in a portable delicious shake. Dymatize also carries 245 grams of carbs and several servings of vitamins and minerals, helping to keep your energy up throughout your day and after your workouts. Dymatize is carefully formulated and balanced to not only help you gain weight, but also help ensure that you build strong muscle. The BCAAs act right along with the protein to help shape and heal muscles during post-workout recovery. If you're looking for something delicious and convenient, Dymatize is definitely worth a second look. Dymatize comes in several delicious flavors including decadent chocolate. Simply mixing the powder with water or milk will yield delicious shakes that sustain you throughout the day. However, you can also get adventurous. Add your favorite fruit or a scoop of peanut butter for taste and nutritional value. At number 7, we have the BSN True Mass Weight Gainer. True Mass is designed with a 2-to-1 ration of carbohydrates and protein for the ultimate mix of energy-boosting, muscle-enhancing formula. With 215 grams of carbs, 50 grams of protein and 1,228 calories per serving, True Mass is designed to help you build healthy weight and muscle. True Mass also contains medium-chain triglycerides to make sure that your shake has absolutely everything you need to keep your diet balanced. Whether you are trying to increase muscle bulk, or want to maintain a healthy weight during intense athletic training, True Mass will give you the extra calories, and the extra nutrition, that you'll need to succeed. True Mass comes in a variety of flavors including chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. Depending on the flavor you like, you can add your other favorite foods such as fruits and nuts into your shake. Past users report that True Mass tastes pretty good and blends well without leaving a powdery or chalky aftertaste. True Mass does contain egg, wheat, milk, and soy, lecithin, as part of the ingredients. It is also manufactured in close proximity to shellfish, tree nuts, fish oil, and peanut flavor. At number 6, we have the Muscle Feast Whole Oat Powder. While most mass gain powders are focused on protein, it's also important to have healthy carbs in your system. This gives you energy throughout your workout and helps with the muscle building that occurs both during and in between exercises. In fact, it is just as important to have healthy carbs while you are trying to put on muscle and weight as it is to have a good source of protein. And what could be more natural than delicious, nutritious oats? Muscle Feast Whole Oat Powder by Muscle Feast brings you premium, non-GMO oat powder free of any flavors and sweeteners. Just 1/3 of a cup of Muscle Feast Whole Oat Powder is equivalent to an entire bowl of oatmeal. The powder is made from oats harvested straight from the field. It is incredibly fluffy, and will mix with anything giving you the mild, but pleasant taste of natural oats. Since Muscle Feast Whole Oat Powder is finely processed, it has the natural and mild taste of real oats and is free of any artificial flavors. This means that you can mix the powder with milk, water, and your favorite ingredients. You can also add it to your favorite protein powder. At number 5, we have the Naked Vegan Mass Natural Vegan Weight Gainer Protein Powder. If you are vegan, gaining weight and muscle mass can be particularly challenging. After all, muscles are built on healthy carbs and protein, but, historically, there haven't been many mass powders that are also certified vegan. Fortunately, Naked Vegan Mass Natural Vegan Weight Gainer Protein Powder by Naked Nutrition is here to help. You no longer have to choose between being vegan and having your dream body, thanks to the Naked Vegan Mass. Not only does the powder give you plenty of protein, but it also gives you BCAAs or branched-chain amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein. The powder only claims 3 major ingredients: organic rice protein powder, pea protein powder, and organic maltodextrin from tapioca. The powder is gluten-free, GMO-free, soy-free, and dairy-free. Also, Naked Vegan Mass is free of harmful growth hormones. Each serving is packed with 248 grams of complex carbs, 50 grams of protein, 10.3 grams of BCAAs, and 1,230 calories to help you keep your energy throughout your workout and build sculpted muscle. It is also a great alternative if you're too skinny and struggling to gain weight. Since Naked Vegan Mass is free of artificial flavors, its own taste is mild and pleasant. This also means this powder can blend well with your other favorite smoothie ingredients, without giving you a strange aftertaste. At number 4, we have the Naked Mass Natural Weight Gainer Protein Powder. Naked Mass Natural Weight Gainer Protein Powder by Naked Mass gives you all of the best parts of a mass builder without the extra chemicals. The powder is made with only 3 ingredients: whey, casein, and organic maltodextrin, and contains no additives, sweeteners, colors, or artificial flavors. The powder is also gluten, soy, GMO, and growth hormone-free. Naked Mass Natural Weight Gainer Protein Powder offers you 252 grams of carbs, 50 grams of protein, and 11.5 grams of BCAAs, all with 1,250 calories and only 5 grams of sugar. The powder also distinguishes itself with the use of tapioca maltodextrin. While other mass gainers use wheat maltodextrin, tapioca maltodextrin gives you clean energy. Naked Mass Natural Weight Gainer Protein Powder is made with no artificial flavors or ingredients. By itself, the powder has a very mild, but pleasant, taste. For best results, and maximum enjoyment, you should add the powder to a smoothie that contains your favorite ingredients. Users report that the powder is light, fluffy, and will completely dissolve in your shake without clumping. At number 3, we have the MusclePharm Combat XL Mass Gainer Powder. If you are looking for innovation, MusclePharm's Combat XL Mass Gainer Powder is an option. The powder isn't only made with standard mass gainer features such as plenty of protein, but also gives you essential fats for balanced weight gain. A serving of Combat XL gives you 1,270 calories that are packed with 252 grams of carbs, 50 grams of protein, flax, chia seeds, and medium-chain triglycerides. If you're an athlete, you'll also appreciate the fact that Combat XL carries the Informed Choice logo. This means that MusclePharm's Combat XL Mass Gainer Powder has undergone rigorous testing and checks, ensuring that it doesn't contain any harmful substances and is safe to use. MusclePharm is committed to giving athletes clean and safe nutrition for better muscle building and more effective training. In fact, many MusclePharm employees are former athletes who know the challenges of training and are striving to create the best for the future generation. For best use, add 1 serving or 4 scoops of MusclePharm's Combat XL Mass Gainer Powder with an 18 to 20 ounces glass of cold water. Depending on your diet and activity level, you can use the powder between 1 and 3 times a day. At number 2, we have the MuscleTech Mass Gainer Protein Powder. Made with 60 grams of protein, 17 grams of BCAAs, and 156 grams of carbs, MuscleTech's Mass Gainer Protein Powder gives you the building blocks to increase muscle size and strength. This gainer gives you half of a normal person's daily calories in one shake, making it easier to build weight and muscle mass. MuscleTech has tested its product to help ensure optimal results. It has also been tested by a third party to ensure the product's quality and purity. MuscleTech's Mass Gainer Protein Powder comes in several delicious flavors and is super easy to make. Simply mix a full serving or half serving of the powder with water or skim milk and you are good to go. You'll want to consume 1 serving per day, either all at once or broken up into halves. According to MuscleTech, a single serving is 5 scoops of powder. And finally at number 1, we have the Build XT Muscle Builder. Any supplement that helps you build muscle should automatically become part of your supplement routine. Sadly, many of the most effective muscle-building supplements are risky due to some pretty severe side effects. But this is not always the case. Jacked Factory is a very successful supplement company that offers high-quality products with an absence of bad science and marketing buzzwords. One of their products is Build XT Muscle Builder. It promises to build muscle, increase strength, improve stamina and even support fat loss. It achieves this through its use of 3 compounds, Peak O2, Elev ATP, and estrogen. Increasing your ATP production is absolutely going to allow you to train longer, which when combined with optimal sleep and nutrition will definitely lead to muscle growth. Reducing fatigue and improving endurance will also allow you to train harder and longer, and the addition of estrogen is a sensible decision by Jacked Factory as it will help increase the absorption of the other ingredients. That's what Build XT is here to do. As with any supplement, Build XT Muscle Builder is only effective when combined with proper training, decent nutrition, and optimal recovery strategies. It will not automatically lead to muscle gain if none of those factors are adhered to. But as a tool to help you perform better, Jacked Factory has definitely delivered an excellent supplement here. Without a doubt, this is an excellent supplement to use on all your workouts and well-being. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.